Unit 2, The Woman Robot, page number 60, paragraph 1. May I help you, sir? Grinned the short, narrow eyed salesman inside the Super Robot Plaza. Next paragraph. Well, Prem Chopra responded, I wish to purchase a robot. Next paragraph. For help, sir, completed the salesman. That is our specialty. We manufacture efficient robots for industry, construction companies, plumbing and cleaning, caretakers. They are designed for only specialized work. Our best ones are for customers like you for the home. He spoke like a recorded program. Yes, that's what I want. Prem Chopra spoke in a business like fashion. Next paragraph. Please come this way. The salesman led him through a brightly lit, richly carpeted gallery into a huge dome-shaped hall glowing with fluorescent light. The right corner appeared to be crowded with robots in metallic silver, electric blue, and green. Some were moving about as if practicing to walk, while some stood still, switched out of operation. Just as Prem Chopra stepped on the threshold of the hall, one of the robots swiftly come forward. Good day, sir. Welcome to the Super Robot Plaza. We hope your visit here proves worthwhile, the silver robot said in a metallic voice. Brilliant, mumbled Prem Chopra, somewhat bewildered. Next paragraph. The salesman gave a proud smile as he headed toward an isolated robot in a metallic blue. This one is perfectly programmed to function in the household, cleaning, arranging, collecting grocery from the supermarket, tending the lawn, mailing letters, relating your program on the TV, and selecting news of your interest from the paper. The salesman paused for a breath and continued. All you need in the remote control monitor for command. Next, page number 70, part first. Ram Singh 070 followed Prem Chopra like a faithful dog. When he stopped at Gopal Jewellers, through the glass window, he saw a generous display of gold ornaments. Quickly, Prem Chopra disappeared around the corner and spoke into the remote control softly and clearly. Pick up a necklace and hide. No noise. Information not to be revealed. Top secret, otherwise I will defuse your system, he threatened. Next paragraph. Ram Singh 017 moved inside the shop, close to the counter. His metallic palm extended forward silently and necklace went into the storage unit without a clink or a jingle. Nobody took notice. Next paragraph. From expensive antiques to ornaments and precious stones, the shoplifting went on for some days without any trace of entity and recognition in the beginning. But the confused reactions of shop owners gradually became louder. Unaware, Prem Chopra went on with his shoplifting spree until a young fruit vendor noticed an expensive bunch of Afghani grapes disappearing inside the metallic blue robot. The incident was related all over, and no sooner had they heard than some shopkeepers recalled the presence of metallic blue robot in their shops before their valuables are missing. This information reached the police headquarters in no time. Next paragraph. One day, Prem Chopra guided Ramsingh 017 to Jhaveri brothers for lifting precious gems. The police was waiting in readiness, and the computerized cameras capable of split-second recording clicked him in the act. Ramsingh robot was caught, but Prem Chopra fled as soon as he saw through the binoculars. Two-person noticing down Ramsingh license number printed on his metallic neck. Next paragraph. Prem Chopra was arrested from his home as the owner of Ramsingh 017 the thief. Page number 17, part 2, paragraph 1st. Soon after his arrest, Prem Chopra was released on bail until the court hearing. None of the stolen articles were recovered from his house. Next paragraph. He had cleverly disposed them of through his gang. In the court, he denied all the charges. Next paragraph. Someone else seems to have tampered with Ramsingh 070's programs. The police found me at home, he argued. Next paragraph. Counsel Goyal cleared his throat and reached closer to the judge. Considering Mr. Chopra's explanation and the happening of the last few days, when so many jewelers and curio dealers have been affected, it seems important to know the working of Ramsingh robot. I request Ramsingh robot to be called in the court. Next paragraph. Robos goes to the court where the headlines in the next day's papers. Next paragraph. The next day, the court was overcrowded with people keen to watch a robot in the witness box. Counsel Goyal was ticking off point till the last moment. He appeared confident and crisp, but so was Prem Chopra. Never would this machine man betray his master. The proceeding began, and Ramsingh 070 appeared in the witness box. Your Honor, Counsel Goyal began. I am told by super robots that the memory tape design in this type of robots contains information of the previous week. Next paragraph. But the case started a fortnight after the incident. The needed information must be whipped out, the judge said. Counsel Goyal smiled softly, starting at Prem Chopra. Sir, the robot has been switched out of operation ever since. Prem Chopra's face fell, but he was confident. Ramsingh 070 would obey his masters. The secrets were sealed. You may continue, ordered the judge. Next page number 18, part 1. Counsel Goel turned to Ram Singh robot. Who is your master? He asked briefly. A dull blue light flashed, and after a momentary wailing sound, the robot squeaked in his metallic tone. Mr. Prem Chopra. What did you do for Mr. Prem Chopra? A pause, a wire, then a metallic answer. Cleaning, moving the lawn, washing, doing dishes, shopping, dot dot dot. Next paragraph. Recall in detail your activities of last 6 days, Counsel Goel interrupted. Next paragraph. The memory tape went on mechanically and monotonously. Open the boot of the car, emptied the groceries, shut the boot, turn, move 30 steps, stop, curio shop on the left, instruction signal, blank, move left, turn, 20 steps. At this point, the counsel commanded, stop, stop, reverse and play. Again, there was an obvious pause after the instruction signal. Counsel Goel stopped and tapped. Notice the pause, Your Honor. Some action is not revealed. What were those instructions? Who gave these instructions? He questioned Ram Singh 017. Information not to be revealed, he responded. But why? Robots do not disobey masters. Next paragraph. Several people who have suffered losses will have harm if these instructions are not reported. What were those instructions? Counsel lawyer Goel pursued. Next paragraph. Robots do not harm people. Ram Singh 070 responded mechanically. Next paragraph. Many people have suffered. Speak up. Ram Singh 017. Counsel lawyer Goel stressed each word. Page number 18, part 2. No, Ram Singh. Prem Chopra shouted nervously, but the judge warned, keep quiet. Next paragraph. Come on, Ram Singh 070, the judge said. Ram Singh 070 jerked his head left, then right towards the judge. Next paragraph. A cleaning sound indicated the hammering of running taps and jumping of caution signals. Beep beep, beep beep. The cracking sound and the indigo light intensified. A red light flashed on the forehead of Ram Singh robot, signaling danger. Reporting system failed. Tiny shutters in the center of his chest open, display a small TV screen flashing. System disintegrated. Ram Singh robot had defused. Next paragraph. Oh no, cried the salesman of super robots. He is defused. He is dead. There was a hush in the courtroom. Silence prevailed for long in the courtroom. The counsel cleared his throat and said, Robots do not cause harm to people and neither can they disobey their masters. Those instructions from Mr. Prem Chopra were not to be revealed. They could have been injurious to his own existence, a threat to the robot's life. If he revealed them, he would disobey his master. If he did not, he would harm others. These conflicts brought Ram Singh's end. He chose to break apart rather than to tell a lie, hurting human beings or becoming unfaithful. Traces of pain and depression mark the council's face. Next paragraph. The judge pondered for a while and proclaimed, the court declares Prem Chopra guilty of theft. The counsel picked up his file and with a bow left the courtroom. Page number 19. Glossaries. Grinned, smiled widely. Salesman. A person whose job is to sell things. Respond, reply. Purchase, buy. Specialty, special quality. Manufacture, produce, or the process of making products in a factory. Efficient, effective, fruitful. Construction, structure, or the process of building something. Construct, build or make up. Counsel, lawyer or advocate. Plumbing, a system of pipes that carries water through a building. Caretaker, a watchman or a person who takes care of building while the owner is not there. Design, to plan. Or design, blueprint, plan or strategy. Specialized, made for one particular purpose. Fluorescent, very bright. Dome shape, a large round ceiling that is shaped like half of the ball. Threshold, edge, the point at which something changes. Metallic, relating a metal of a metal. Bewilder, to confuse very much or puzzled. Isolated, separated from others. Function, act or work. Tend, take care of. Household, all the goods in a house. Pause, a short interval. Breathe, to take air into lungs. Reduce, a straight line from the center. Nod, to move head up and down. Gait, a particular way to walking. Grip, hold tightly. Satisfy, to cause to be happy. Adhere, a stick to something. Robotics, relating to robots. Assign, to give someone a particular duty. Did, act or action. Sell, an act of selling something, trade. Accomplice, a person who helps someone who is doing something wrong or illegal. Tremendous, very large. Accuracy, the ability to work without making mistakes. Generous, kind. Display, show. Diffuse, scatter. Extend, stretch. Antique, old or valuable. Recognition, ओळख. Trace, चिन्ह or indication. Expensive, dear or costly. Valuable, things of high value. Remain, stay. Split, divide into parts. Fled, run away from danger. Release, set free. Allegation, charge. Accusation. Curio, a small and unusual object that is attractive. Tick off, rebuse. Crisp, dry, hard, and easily broken. Betray, double cross. Proceeding, action. Wipe out, rub out, or black out. Briefly, in short. Flash, shine of bright light. Momentary, brief or temporary. Wire, buzz or flutter. Squeak, a sharp, high pitched sound. Mow, घास कापવું. Reverse, opposite to the front. Obvious, easy to see. Humper, to slow the movement. Jam, to fill completely. Crowd. Crackle, to make a series of sharp or sounds. Intensify, strength, to become stronger. Disintegrate, to break into pieces. Prevail, win, conquer, or triumph. Conflict, a struggle for power, property, etc. Proclaim, declare. Hush, peace, or silence.